Okay, we're about to start making the firewall reinforcement. As you can see here, the original firewall is here, it's all cleaned off. It was modified to get the bigger gearbox tunnel in, which is in now, but common weak point is the firewall on these if you start taking them off road and giving them a bit of abuse. So to cover all eventualities, I don't plan to drive the car that hard, but while it's in this condition, I think we'll reinforce the firewall. So we're going to make some CAD templates just to fit in the gaps here out of cardboard, and then we'll transfer that to steel once we know it all fits, and then we'll alternate. So here it goes. So we've made the template, goes in like that, up into the top left corner. This edge folds over just to butt against the next piece, the centre piece, just to give it some added strength. So that was what we made out of cardboard. Cut that out, and we transferred that template over onto steel. This is the steel piece. So basically it's going to go like that up in the top corner. This is the end, it's bent up at 90, put some holes through it as well. Then we can spot weld that through to the next piece. There it is. We prime the back. Got a zinc rich primer. Same goes with the bulkhead itself. That's all been dressed back, primed, just to stop any corrosion happening between the two pieces. Next, we've got to mark out on the template where the holes are for the brake reservoir and where the speedo cable and the accelerator cable and everything came through. Just to mark that onto here, just so we don't drill any of the spot holes through a hole that's basically already in the bulkhead. So that's the next plan. Drill the holes. So one piece is in. That's in, securely welded in. We drilled the holes out for the spot weld, so it's been spot welded about 15 times. And we've just gone around the edge with a stitch weld, and then also the bottom seam here we've stitch welded across the top with the top of the bulkhead. So that's the first piece in. Second piece, we go about exactly the same way. Mocked it up out of cardboard already. We're just going to go transfer this cardboard over onto the steel, and then we're going to get that fitted in there quite nicely. So, cardboard templates, the future. Second section is in, you can see. Spot welds, there was like 20 or 30, made sure it's nice and strong. Spot welded in, then just linished it all back. We've just got this final piece to make here. The hole here used to have a flange that came out into the engine compartment. I've reversed that flange so it now goes inside the car. I'm just going to plate over it for now. We'll drill a hole in the plates once we've discovered where the wiring's going, and once we're happy with the size of the loom that's going to go through here. We'll drill a hole that's the right size. That one is probably a little bit too big. But yeah, reverse the flange so it's not infringing on the plate that we're going to stick over, and also keeps the strength in the panel there as well. So last piece, and then this job is done. So the last piece of the jigsaw is in. This last piece now, spot welded, fitted, sanded back, just seamed round the side here, and then up the middle. That's it. So now just do weld a few odds and sods in the main cabin, and then we'll get it back on the jig, roll it upside down, and do the bits underneath, and then we should be getting close to primer.